Next we will discuss about EtherChannel. EtherChannel, why we are using EtherChannel? So EtherChannel is basically combine several physical links and it makes a one logical link out of them. So the maximum it combine 8 links together. So what it provides and what are the benefits of it? So it provides fault tolerance as well as it provides high speed links between switch, router and servers. How it gives high speed? It creates link by combining more than 2 to 8 links and it gives a speed. Like an example, if I have a line of 1 Mbps and if I combine 8 lines of 1 Mbps, so it gives me 8 Mbps speed. So EtherChannel is do that same thing. It combines a different line up to 8 lines and it gives high speed. Next is what is the advantage? So it's provide a bandwidth by combining entire 8 links bandwidth. It gives a maximum bandwidth by aggregate the traffic across all available active ports, as well as fault tolerance. So how it basically do this thing? So if one link goes down, the load is distributed between all other links. That's why it never affects transmission. So that's why it is, and because of that it gives a good fault tolerance. So these are advantages of EtherChannel. So what are the methods of EtherChannel? So there are 3 methods available, that is PaGp, LaCp and static. So in static you have to do it manually. You have to configure manual EtherChannel. So it on the both side mode is on and on. But if you are using PaGp, that is port aggregation protocol, LaCp is link aggregation protocol. P is a Cisco proprietary, where LaCp is open standard protocol. But before to create an EtherChannel between 2 switches, take care of following conditions, that are the speed should be same on both the sides, as well as the duplex, that is either it is full duplex or half duplex, it should be same on both the sides. As well as we can't mix fast Ethernet and gigabit Ethernet. As well as we can't mix PaGp and LaCp, like on one side PaGp and on the other side is LaCp. You can't do that. So you need to do same on both the side PaGp or both the side LaCp. VLAN trunk, either it should be VLAN trunk or it should be non-VLAN trunk. You can't use both the thing at one place. So next, how we are using PaGp. PaGp is basically Cisco proprietary and it works between supported vendors of Cisco devices. There are 2 modes of PaGp, port aggregation protocol, that is auto and desirable. Auto is basically do passive negotiation. It never initiate negotiation. So it always wait for that request. But desirable is basically actively negotiate that particular link. So that's why it is always take initiation. So the condition when this happen, so as I written over here the condition, if it is auto and auto, that means it on one side is auto and on the other side is auto, it never form any particular relation or it never do any negotiation. But if it is auto and desirable, that is auto and desirable, yes, it will allow to do that EtherChannel. If it is desirable and auto, yes, it will form that. If it is desirable and desirable, then it allow to form that PaGp. These are PaGp mode, so it allow to create a EtherChannel. LaCp is open standard and defined by 802.3 AD. That's the standard. So there are 2 modes, that is active mode and passive mode. So active mode is basically actively negotiate, but passive mode never initiate negotiation. So same here, I had also considered conditions. If there is both the side active, obviously negotiation is happen. And if it is active passive, yes, it negotiate that thing. And if it is passive active, it will negotiate. But if both the side is passive, it never initiate the connection. That means no negotiation is happen. So command to configure this port channel as, first we need to create a port channel. So command is interface port channel, and we have to give one unique number. So here I had given example like interface port channel, and port channel number is 1. So in port channel 1, I will consider this interface, that is interface range. As I told you, it supports 8 particular port channels. So I had considered here interface range fast Ethernet 0/1 to 5. So it includes F0/1, 0/2, 0/3, 0/4 and 0/5. So now we are creating a group of that particular channels or a particular interfaces. So in that interface range, we are writing channel group. We are creating group of this particular interfaces. So channel group 1 mode. So if you are writing on, that should be on the other side. Now next, the other option is we can use PaGp. So in PaGp there are 2 mode, desirable and auto. So you can write channel group 1 mode, instead of on we can write desirable, auto, but there is one condition, there should be no auto. That means on one side auto and on another side auto. If it happens, it never negotiate. So you need to take care about this. After that you can write or you can use LaCp. For LaCp you have to write channel group 1 mode. There are 2 modes, that is active and passive. So you can write active or passive. So there is one condition, there should be no passive on one side passive and on another side passive. Then there is no negotiation. So you need to write active on one side or passive on another side, or both the side active or passive active. So how you verify this ether channel? So to verify the ether channel, you need to use this commands: show running configuration, show ether channel, as well as we had create a ether channel 1. So you can write show ether channel and ether channel number, show port channel 1. We had already discussed ether channel before. So ether channel basically bundle online and it create one logical link. So here I had make this line as a trunk line, and this one is our VTP server and this one is our VTP client. So we will try to create ether channel in between 2 switches. So first we will go through switch 1. Interface range F0/1 to F0/3. So on this interface we will just try to create a channel group 1 and mode on. It should be on one side and on the other side. So create that channel group, port channel. Same we need to do on the other side. You need to go to interface range F0/1 to 3 channel group 1 mode on. So we did the thing on both the side. If you want to check it, then you can check by running configuration. This interface port channel 1 switch port trunk is there, and as you can see over here, I had made that trunk port, that is fast Ethernet 0/1, 0/2 and 0/3, as well as you can check by command show ether channel So the group state is layer 2, ports are 3, maximum ports are 8 and port channel 1. So you can see over here. Now if you want to configure PaGp on both the sides, you can use command. You have to go to again on interface range F0/1, as well as you can use channel group 1 mode desirable and exit. Same thing, you have to go over here on range F0/1 to channel group 1 mode desirable. So show EtherChannel. So here we can see that this group state is L2, port is 3, maximum port are 8, port channel and protocol is PaGp. When we had configured on both the sides, the protocol was blank, but here it's mentioned that is PaGp. If you want to configure LaCp, then you can write, instead of desirable, here you can write active or passive.